My name's Clare, I live in Penzance and I own the Elmsdale Guesthouse. I really love it, I love doing it, I love meeting all the people. I love living here because Penzance is a beautiful place to live. So I like to, when the guests arrive, I like to recommend places for them to visit. One place I always recommend people to visit is St Michael's Mount. The entrance to it is tidal, so sometimes you can walk in, sometimes you have to get a boat. And I bought the business in 2020, literally the week that COVID hit. Macs have really helped because they enable everybody to come and do these lovely holidays. So I have a few guests that come that just organise it themselves, and their holiday is not quite as relaxing for them, let's say. You know, they don't have the Macs app, whereas I think the Macs customer, they just seem very relaxed, they know what's happening, they know their luggage is taken care of, and yeah, they're staying in all the best places. So when the guests arrive, if they're exhausted, then you know their rooms will be ready. They'll maybe have some scones, you know, nice hot shower with a big fluffy towel, nice clean room, and make them feel at home so that they can really relax. The guest house industry in Penzance is definitely benefiting the local area, with people staying and then obviously sending people out to restaurants, buying locally, employing local people. It just keeps the whole community of Penzance rolling and, you know, thriving.